Coco, do you know what today is?
Ipsy.
Ipsy! Hey everybody, we are back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, that's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Okay, y'all, today is Ipsy day. And you know what? I'm not mad at this Ipsy. I'm not mad at it. It's one of those weird ones where it's like, you didn't get great stuff, but you get stuff you're gonna use, so you're not really mad at it because it's like, I'm gonna use these things. You know what I'm saying? You didn't go and get some Huda palette, something amazing like that, but you got things that you will actually use. So let's just dive into it. Okay, and then as you can see, there is a different setup. That video of me putting it all together and getting rid of the old setup and coming in with the new setup should be up before this video. I will try to link it if you want to check it out, but let's jump into this. We got a hair towel. I picked this because I use a hair towel. I use it on myself. I use it on the kids. Everybody except for my husband uses a hair towel. So anytime it's an option to get one of these, I always pick them. And the nice thing about the ones you get when you get them from Ipsy or Boxy is that they're significantly bigger than ones you would find in a TJ Maxx or that you would order online. It has a weird feeling. I don't know why. I don't know the prices. I'm not gonna try to pull it up on my phone because then I'll have to keep putting my glasses on and y'all know I can't see. Okay, one thing I will say is now I have white fuzzies all over I have pajama pants on and they're like velour. And I got white fuzzies on them. Oh, maybe it just came out of the box. But these I love. They're falling out all over my lap. I don't love that, okay? But generally speaking, I do love these. We have a card. Here, you want a card? Yeah. We got a Cab lip gloss, and you know, we got some of these before, and it was like a citrus duo, and one was like lemon, and one was like lime, and I was just like, not really happy about it, but we have actually used them, so I'm not mad at it. I don't know about this color. What shade is this? Sensacious. I thought that S was a B. Without glasses, I really struggle to see. It's really thick. I'm thinking that I might actually go and get contacts. Oh, this is a really pigmented gloss too. Yeah, I'm not mad at that. So again, something I will use. I like that. I liked the glosses that we got before, even though I had originally complained. We did end up using those glosses and they were nice. Now this is one thing that I'm kind of like blah, blah, blah. This palette. Now this palette is not the problem because this palette is a nice palette.
We have that?
Yes, we do have this, and that is the problem. These eyeshadows are creamy, they're beautiful, they apply well. The problem is we've already gotten this, I don't know, maybe 2 years ago we got this palette in a Boxy or Ipsy.
Can I have it?
Y'all, she has an Urban Decay palette here, a Becca palette, Marc Jacobs palette, Lime Crime palette, Morphe, MAC. Does she really need another palette?
Yeah. Yeah.
You want the box too?
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
I think I had actually done a declutter and gave her the first one we got. Anyway, we also got this. I was excited about this because I've seen this like on TikToks and other videos, but I don't have anything from them. This is LYS Beauty. I don't know if I'm supposed to say the letters or if that's supposed to make a word. It's in the shade Passion. Look at that. Look at that shade. That very beautiful, very beautiful. Look at this. Also, so I've started taking an online makeup course to become a certified makeup artist. And another thing that I learned is that you should never put your brush into the cream products. And I've always been putting my stippling brush, sometimes I use my finger, but putting my stippling brush into my cream products. And then I'm like, I got the stippling hair stuck in there. Don't do that. Okay, I'm learning stuff and I'm so excited to become certified in something that I'm so passionate about and something that I love and have been doing for almost 30 years. Anyway, I'm rambling, but I'm really excited about the school, and once I'm 50% through with being certified, I'm gonna do a video, and then once I am completely certified, I will do a follow-up. I just feel like doing a halfway video and then a finished up video will be a little more thorough and less long, and the things from the beginning of the course will still be fresh in my mind because y'all, I'm surprised at how much I've actually learned. You know, when you've been doing makeup for so long, you kind of feel like you know most things. I know what I'm not good at, and I know what I am good at. And there's only a few things that I'm not good at doing and I just say forget it, I don't even practice or try to do it. But the school is gonna teach me that, and not only that, it's taught me things that I did not even think about. That I'm just like, wow, why was that so simple and I didn't even think Think about that. Why am I putting my stippling brush into the cream product when I know time and time again the hairs are gonna get stuck in there? Why don't I go get a palette? Now I'm rambling about what I've learned, okay? Because I'm excited about this. I'm excited. This is beautiful. It's reminding me of a Tarte blush I just recently got. But the Tarte one is a little bit deeper, but this is nice. Where do you buy this product from? Y'all let me know, do you buy this at Sephora or Ulta, or where do you buy this? Okay, then the next and last thing we got is from Kate Berkey. We've gotten something from her before. Only once have I gotten something from her, and I just remember it because I remember the name, and I remember like the logo, and I want to say it was a little more on the expensive side. It's a vitamin C intense face cream. Let me get my glasses because I do actually want to read what that says. Okay, how to use. Step 4 in your 5 steps to essential radiance regimen. Moisturize for AM, PM. Apply a dime size amount to face and neck. Follow with follow with other products that she has. So it's a vitamin C intensive face cream, but it says moisturize with this, AM or PM. Okay, so in the school we're also learning about skincare and just so many different things, and I'm learning and I'm loving. I've already taken 2 tests and passed them. The last one I got 100, the other one I got an 83. It has some kind of smell, but the scent isn't strong. I wonder, is this the thing that we got before? Because the box looks the same and everything. Did they just double give me something? I think they did. Because I swear this looks exactly... I am going to say I am 90% sure I got this in the past, and now I got it again. So I ain't happy about that. But it's okay because I will use this. I don't remember if I liked it because I feel like it was we were like in California. So that was some years ago. Okay, so all in all, love the turban head towel thing. Although if it's gonna be flaky and leave white stuff in the kids' hair and they all have black hair, I'm not gonna love that at all. But generally speaking, I love those turban head towel wraps. And then this, I cannot wait to use this. I'm gonna put it in my desk over there now because that's actually where I do my makeup now. And then this desk is where we film, and Coco has her stuff in the drawers now. You'll see that. You'll see that in the video. So happy about this. This I'm not mad at either. I'm not mad at that either. And this will get used. Let's just say this Ipsy was definitely better than the Boxy Luxe that we got. And it was a Luxe box, and it was a very disappointing Luxe. Let's just call it a sucks box because it sucked.
No.
Because it sucked so bad. Okay, so that is our Ipsy box, our Ipsy bag. It was definitely better than the Boxy Luxe that we got this month. I am not mad at the things that we got, but let's go ahead and end it here if you haven't already. Oh, she's got to get her stuff.
Yeah.
Put her stuff in her Ipsy bag. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. What was I saying? I don't know. Coffee.
No, I'm Minnie.
Oh, that's Minnie, not Coco. I love you too.
Open the next one. I made a bunch again.
Oh, nice. You want to swatch this?
Okay.
We're at 10 minutes. Isn't that a beautiful shade?
Can I put it on the brush?
No, use your finger where you can swatch it on your hand like Mama did. I need coffee. I need coffee.
I need coffee.
Oh, that's so good. I need more.
That's so good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, do you like my hair like this?
No.
I thought it looked cute. Like kind of like young, like makes me look a little bit younger and like more done versus my humped up thing on the top of my head. No?
No. No.
Kids will tell you the truth. They'll also lie too, but...
I like it. No.
Do you like it or hate it?
I like it.
You like it? Thank you.
I
Thanks.
hate it.
Oh, no! Dang it, Coco.
I like it.
Thank you.
I tricked you.
No, she tricked me.
I tricked you.